exploring the magic of Santa's Workshop, a journey into Christmas lore. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's closely tied to the Christmas season, Santa's Workshop. This phrase is not just a simple combination of words, but a gateway into a world of magic, tradition, and cultural significance. Let's explore together what Santa's Workshop means and how it's used in the English language. Get ready to unwrap the magic of this enchanting phrase. Santa's Workshop is a phrase that conjures up images of a magical place where Santa Claus, the iconic Christmas figure, and his helpers create toys and gifts for children around the world. This concept is deeply embedded in Christmas folklore and popular culture. It represents a place of joy, creativity, and the spirit of giving. The idea of a workshop located at the North Pole, bustling with elves busy making toys, is a staple in Christmas stories and movies. The phrase, Santa's Workshop, is more than just a literal description of a place. It symbolizes the magic and wonder of the Christmas season. It's a representation of the generosity, love, and joy that define the holiday spirit. Across different cultures, this phrase evokes a sense of anticipation and excitement among children, as it's closely linked to the tradition of receiving gifts from Santa Claus on Christmas Eve. In English, Santa's Workshop is often used metaphorically to describe a place where things are being prepared in a secretive and exciting way, especially during the Christmas season. For example, a kitchen where Christmas cookies are being baked might be affectionately called Santa's Workshop. This metaphorical use extends beyond the literal meaning, bringing a touch of Christmas magic to various activities and places. I hope this journey into the enchanting world of Santa's Workshop has been both enlightening and delightful. This phrase is a beautiful example of how language can capture the essence of cultural traditions and folklore, adding magic to our everyday conversations. Remember, language learning is not just about words and grammar, it's also about understanding the cultural stories and meanings behind those words. Happy learning, and may the spirit of Santa's Workshop bring joy to your language journey.